Hello guys, I'm a teacher Ulimboka Nsajuga Masame. Welcome to Ulimboka Physics. We have a question from SERWAY&JEWETT, chapter 35, question 21. The opaque cylindrical tank that is open top has a diameter of 33 and is completely filled with water. When the afternoon sun reaches an angle of 28 above the horizon, the sun ceases to illuminate any part of the bottom of the tank. How deep is the tank? Okay, and you must remember that when the sunlight ceases to illuminate any part of the bottom of the tank, when it is the afternoon, the sun reaches an angle of 28 degrees. Let's see how we can arrive into the conclusions of this question. We have the grammatical here, representations of the scenarios. You can see that rays from the sun, and this is the horizon, and it's centered to point O, and this rays gets refracted to aura at the angle for refractions. And now it incidents at a point M, and this we just extended to a point P. This incident ray. Remember, remember the principle of reversibility of light. The rays can just take the same path from M to O and to the source. And here we have the triangles at NOP and NOM for refraction angle, and this one for incidence angle. Let us use these two triangles so that we can get the relationship between these angles and refractive index. When we consider these two triangles and the Snell laws, then we will have common ON, and then we remain with refractive index of the water. And for the condition of no small angles, then we will have hypotenuse, this hypotenuse OP, and the hypotenuse OM, the hypotenuse OM. Now we will have this hypotenuse, and after defining the hypotenuse, these sides, we have NP is equal to H, this is apparent depth, NP is equal to H point depth, and we have NO, which is common, its opposite is equal to radius of the cylindrical tank, and NM, that is depth, what we are supposed to find, the depth H. And we have the condition here. Before you could continue, when this refractory angle is greater to critical angles, at these conditions is where we have total internal reflections. And at this, when you have total internal reflections, the bottoms of the bottom M, N, Q will be dark, because the light on the surface NS will not be here, except that the light will be at the edge M and edge Q, and the water MN now will not be seen on the surface NS by observer at any side. These things must be sink deep in your minds. As here written that whereby at the top no one can see the bottom of the tank, as no any lights comes out of water to the observer eyes there at the top. And there at the top, the observer eyes will look it as a dark. Top N S will be dark because all lights will be inside this end as a spotlight at point M and point Q. For these conditions is when our H is very ignored, equal to 0, because it's when the refracted rays angle here is greater to critical angle. Therefore, we remain with the formula as you can see here. As when we substitute this, and then for diameters, it will be as this one. And when we can use also another formulas with sine and the concept of C, when you have I is equal to 90 degrees, and then our tan theta, tan for C for critical angle is equal to ON to MN. MN is what we are supposed to find, and ON is our radius. Then for MN is equal to ON divided by tan theta when we make the subject MN, which is our depth. Therefore, we come to define this size. MN is equal to H, and ON is equal to R, which is equal to a half diameter. Then we have general formula as this one. When we use this formula also, we will arrive into our answer, which is 1.322. You can see that from these two formulas, the answer is the same. Here, for just a summary, the surface N is, or the first surface of water under these conditions, is acting as now a reflecting surface, is acting as a plane mirror. Therefore, anyone who look through on the surface, he or she will see the image of himself, or he will see the image of the skies, the clouds inside the clouds, the sun and the mountains on the surface of the water. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more video like this one. Thank you.